How to create website using Hostinger AI. To build a website using AI, first, I'll go to Google and search for Hostinger.com to visit their official website. After arriving on the Hostinger website, we will scroll down a little and go to the footer section. Click on where it says AI Website Builder right here. Then, click on the Start Free Trial button. Type in your email address here to sign up. After that, create a password for your account. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Start Free Trial button. Now, I will write a short description of the website I want to build. Next, click here. As you can see, the AI is now building our website. The AI has finished building the website. Let's take a look at the result. Okay, if you like the website design, click on the Continue button for the next step. This is the Customize section where you can edit anything you want on your website. For example, if you want to change this heading text, just click on it. Select the text. Then, type whatever you want. So, I'm writing mine now. Look, the text has changed. Now, I'm going to scroll down. Now, I want to change this image. To do that, I'll click on it. Then click here. Click Upload Files. Choose the file you want to upload. Then, click on this image. Look, the new image is now on the website. In this same way, you can customize every part of your website. Now that the website is ready, it's time to publish it. Now, just click on the Go Live button to publish. Choose one of the plans listed here to proceed. After that, click right here and select how long you want the plan to last. I'm selecting the 24-month plan and clicking the Continue button. Now, fill in your billing address. Once the billing address is filled out, click on the Continue button. Now, select your payment method. I am selecting the card option. After filling in your card info, just click Submit, and your website will go live instantly. Hope you have understood how to create a website. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.